Oh, what the fuck? I don't even know how to fly this shit. I don't even know how to fly this. Oh, this shit's complicated to drive, bro.
The airdrop is coming.
I don't know if we can switch. How do you land?
Our vehicle is about to explode.
Oh, it's about to explode. Get the fuck out. It was gonna explode. It said right there. It's at 40% because I wrecked it against that tree.
Engaging the enemies.
Take a screenshot so you can put it on your fucking tag for the game.
The airdrop is coming.
All right, get in the shot then. Get in my shot right here. Get in front, right there. Come on.
Chip terminal is almost ready. Airdrop is
All right, get in the shot again. I didn't get the screenshot. I got it.
the safe zone is collapsing.
That's dope as fuck. It's hard to control it, bro. It's really hard. There's a gas pedal, and there's a way to drive it. That shit's complicated as fuck.
Close in. The airdrop is coming.
They're outside of the map. Look, it tells you where they're at.
The revived flight will airdrop is delivered.
Engaging the enemies. The airdrop is coming. The airdrop is coming.
That's what you need. You need. Did you record?
The airdrop is coming.
You gotta put that shit up right. As soon as this game finishes, you gotta put that video right up.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Man, let's just hurry up and either take the tank or do whatever. Let's split up. Let's just finish this game so we can get a new game and then land on the jet. We just need to finish this game off quick.
Chip terminal is almost ready. The safe zone is collapsing.
The airdrop is coming. Engaging the enemies.
Airdrop has been delivered. The last revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Down to the last 5 teams.
I fucking hate looking for people.
Only 2 teams left. Getting close to victory.
The airdrop is coming.
Chip terminal is almost ready. Airdrop has been delivered.
Bro, I got one on. I got an extra one. I'm trying to find this fucking people. One fucking bot left.